Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick video showing y'all how I organize Focus on Fives by BJU. This is their kindergarten curriculum. My daughter just finished this back in May, so let's get started. Okay, so if you're doing the Focus on Fives video lessons online, you will receive these student handouts along with the video lesson guides. So I just put them all in a 3-ring binder and I labeled them with dividers. So I have Focus on Fives video lesson guides, and I put all of them behind this tab. Then you have the Focus on Fives handouts. These are the student handouts. I put them right behind the video lesson guide. And then I have math, which is not included in Focus on Fives. You have to buy that separately. And then I have all of her completed work behind this tab. It's not all of it. I had to stuff some into a bin, but my goal is to remove all these pages in the front and then just make this a kindergarten notebook with all her completed work in it. So the next thing that I did was I purchased this clipboard for her. It opens up and I would store all of these little phonics characters in here. I would also keep her alphabets, paper from her work textbook. I put it in a plastic sleeve. You can tell it's been well played with. I also put the little vowels chart for the vowel song, and then just some math stuff in there as well. And so all the phonics characters went in there. Also, the phonics practice book went in here as well. I don't have any to show y'all because she's written her name all over those. But these are the reading practice books, and she would have one of these each week, and so I would have it in there and then just switch it out when we would move on to the next book. She has her pencils and eraser in this little pencil compartment, and I will link to this down in the description below. This is just a sticker that she got when we were camping one day from a park ranger. But every day I would go ahead and have all of the worksheets she would need for the day attached right here for her to be ready to start her lessons. Next are her phonics review cards. I purchased this little index card container box from Walmart, and of course she picked out pink. That's her favorite color. But I just used regular size index cards to use as dividers for this, and they work perfectly. I just wrote what they were up here in the top left corner. So this just has like her letters that she was learning. Each of these pictures are in a little song that they sing about that letter. The next divider is the splash words, which is Focus on Fives high frequency words, and I just put all of them back there. I think I have some extra index cards just in case I needed more dividers, but that is where I stored all of those. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all how I keep everything on her rolling cart. So I have her 3-ring binder, her clipboard, her phonics cards, and in the top drawer I have her notebook that I would write all the word family review in, and then her dry erase board, I would sometimes use that as well. This drawer just contains the work textbook and the phonics practice book that I would pull from every day. This next drawer has all of her readers in it. I would just pull one out each week and put it in her clipboard. And then when we were finished with it, I would put it right back into this drawer. Over here is just extra completed work that I need to file in her 3-ring binder. The rest of these drawers are just filled with her first grade books that we'll be starting in August. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you out. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.